So this is just a quick old disharoonie. Just got in and kids have had their food. Should I just have the rest? Yeah, it was only a little bit. So one's got noodles, one's got pasta bolognese, and then I've just got pasta. So this is what we're going to have with it. Also, do you find that I went out with one of my best friends today, and do you find that if anyone actually heard you and your best friend talking, they would literally think that you two hate each other? But to us, it's our love language. Do you know? It just means that we love each other. I won't tell you the things that we say to each other but it's like, it sounds worse than it is. Like, it really does. This butter's not going to melt as fast as I'd want it to. I should have put it in the bowl with that and mixed it round. Now I'm going to have butter. But yeah, does anyone talk to their best friend like that? And honestly, it's just one of those. Oh no, what am I going to do with the excess butter now? That was a bit too much. So does anyone else have a best friend like that? That was too much, and I just cannot have that in there. So a bit of butter, bit of cheese, bit of butter, bit of cheese, bit of mayonnaise, no beans. Oh, what are these seasonings I've got? No, shall I? I've got some cheesy chips. Like a little, should we just sprinkle a bit on top? See how it is? We might as well, since we're there. Did I get a fork? No. Let's have a look what this tastes like with a bit of cheesy thingy bob. Oh, do you know what? This is why I don't eat with a fork. Stupid. You can't pick it up. Oh my god, is that grey hair? Simple, easy, effective. I quite like that seasoning on there, actually. A bit more. It's good. Gives it a bit of flavour. See? I don't even know what I'm doing half the time. I just see it, fancy it, got it, eat it. Why is my head at white? This is good. Beans would have been better. Or curry sauce. That was good when I did that. What would you have for dinner? If you didn't have something, have something. Something is better than nothing. That's got to be the best pasta. These ones. Right. That, my friends, that was a lot of cheese. I'm hungry. It just hits, you know? My head is disgusting. I'm gonna watch it tonight. Anyway, have a good evening.